I'm gonna call Big Bird now.
Hello?
Hi, may I speak with Big Bird, please?
Hello?
Hi, Big Bird. It's Matthew.
Hi, Matthew.
How are you?
Good.
That's good. So,
You have to go home.
uh, that's cool. So, the house Sesame Street.
Oh, it's fine.
That's good. Is everyone having fun today?
Yeah.
That's good.
Elmo is so funny.
Yeah.
Put oatmeal on his number 10. Look, I'm throwing oatmeal for him here. That's silly. It's ripping down his
Yeah. So, I was listening to my Sesame Street cassette tape earlier, and I heard you singing the alphabet. Do you still do that?
I love myself. Yeah, and that, you know, it's the alphabet. I used to think it was a word.
Yeah, I remember.
Well, if you were after the word, I was bird, bean, and after that, we said, well, that's the services. But this time knew exactly what I mean. That's not like any word if anyone could see the number of the video. It's not so fair to me. I was like that part.
Yeah. Yeah, that's one of my favorite songs. My other favorite one is when you sang Surfing Bird. Remember that? Surfing Bird? You know, up, bird, 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 the bird's the word.
Bird is the word. Bird, 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 bird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
That was one of our weeks.
yeah, I like that song. So, hey Big Bird, I have a question for you. I've been meaning to change the outgoing announcement on my answering machine, and I was wondering if you might want to help me with that. I'll tell you what I'd like to say, and you can tell me if you want to do it. Say, hi, it's me, Big Bird. Matthew can't come to the phone right now, but if you leave a message, he'll call you back soon. Okay. So, I guess
You ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, hey, you hope you get this is off to the ground. You thought you were going to get the big bird. All that thing. You thought you was the one. Hey, Oscar, let go of the phone. I'm not talking. Okay. Hi, it's Big Bird. Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Oscar, stop. Okay, okay. Right, so you want to talk to Matthew. When he's on here right now, then call again and he'll talk to you, okay? That's how you want me to hear him. Anyway, but we had a nice picture. Anyway, thanks for calling. Bye. Call. Hi later. Yeah,
Thank
have
you.
a rough day. Oscar.
Hi, Oscar.
Hey, have a rough day.
Thank you. You too.
I am working. That's what that's my way of going. Okay, well, I gotta run. Okay, bye, Oscar. No, I have to leave pretty soon.
Okay.
That's not going to be happy.
All right. Well, it's good to talk to you, and I'll call you sometime soon.
Well, I'm pretty busy, so because you heard about my movie, I have a bird.
Oh wow, no, I hadn't.
Look it up on Google. Google I have a bird, and you'll find all about it.
Oh, I will.
Bye.
All right. Bye. That was fun.